Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change supervisor's password on this laptop. First, power your PC on by pressing the power button, then start clicking F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Then navigate to security section using right arrow key. Then you'll automatically have the supervisor password, set supervisor password option selected. So just press enter, and here enter the new supervisor password, and then confirm it in the next field. Now be aware that supervisor password is the password that lets you enter BIOS. So if you forget it, your BIOS access will forever be lost. So enter your password, confirm it, then press enter and save. Now to change supervisor password, you have to select this other option. You can navigate to it using down arrow key, press enter, and then enter the current password. And then if you want to change the password, then enter the password that you want to change the password to. And if you want to erase password for your if you want to erase your supervisor password, then leave this field empty. And then leave the following field empty too. Then press enter, save. So I guess it doesn't work like this in this BIOS. I'm sorry. So in case you want to erase your supervisor password, you have to select this first option, set supervisor password. Then enter your old supervisor password. Press enter, enter again to clean. And this way you will disable your supervisor password. And that's basically it. Now to apply changes, press F10 and enter, and to discard them, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.